Morning, everybody, or buenos tardes, good afternoon, happy Sunday.
Someone has a fake account of me, something, what does it say? Vision Borastil Argentina, and they stole a video of me. You got a question? How many people do you block regularly? I'll answer that. I'll answer that. Different levels he has, he sells them. And this is the highest level. I said, give me the best of the best. And this is his best. Maybe you're not taking it seriously enough. You ever thought of that?
Market opens in 10 minutes, let's rock and roll. So I was taking some notes down. I love it. I don't like puzzles, but this is like trying to solve a puzzle, you know?
It's from one thing, and I'm going to tell you, and I learned this from Jeff Bezos. He said in an interview when he was a nobody, when nobody would take, so I'll tell you a story, right?
Morning, everybody, or buenos tardes, good afternoon, happy Sunday. Today is July 13th, episode 13th. So Sunday, the market's gonna open later in the day. It's gonna open 2, 3, 4, 5. In 4 hours, the market will be open. And let me tell you, I slept well, but all I dreamt about was in a trade. I was doing very well. So let me tell you something right now, right? Let me show you the time. By the way, this is New York time. I keep one of my phones on New York time. So I basically had a dream where the market dropped drastically, and I was shorting it. I'm not in the trade, of course. You can't be in a trade. The market closes. You can't be in anything. So I'm looking for a push down, but I think we're going to get a push up in a few days, hit a very strong level of resistance, and then drop. So the month of August and September are usually pullback days, red months, historically. I got to do a live on that on Instagram. All right, the maid is not here. And it's all good. I could do it. I'm gonna put my bed sheets. I bring my own bed sheets and my own pillow when I travel. So come do laundry with me. The madam messaged me. She goes, "You want breakfast? It's so late." I said, "I got too much energy, girl. I got too much energy. So let's do it. Do laundry with me right now." I haven't done laundry in a long time, but I like my bed sheets cleaned once a week. And I don't want to wait for the maid to do it tomorrow. I just want it now. Like, I want it now. Now. And then I got, like I said, too much energy. So we're going to work out. I've been slacking on the heavy workouts. Don't know why, actually. Don't know why I've been slacking on them. But we're going to get back on it. The madam wants to go heavy. What the hell is that? Looks like skin of a lizard. Tell me down in the comment section. Agree or disagree? Skin. A lot of the lizards have been shedding. For the past week, I've been noticing a lot of the lizards have been shedding. Don't ask me what that means. I don't know. All right, laundry machines. So I bring my own laundry detergent. I brought my own laundry detergent because I know they use that chemical stuff. So I didn't bring the liquid one, but this stuff. This is good stuff. Chemicals. No chemicals. All right. So I bring my own bed sheets, super silky soft. My own blanket, super silky soft. My own everything. I like to be comfortable. I like to be very, very comfortable. I live a certain standard of living, and that's what I know. That's what I know. And that's how I want to live my life. I don't know anything else but to live comfortably. Damn it, I don't know what these words say. Algodón, carga, pesada, lavada, profundo, ropa, I don't know what any of this means. So, I'm just gonna hit normal. The one that it started off with. All right, but let's close this up. Let's get the workout going. I am very, very excited for the market to be open. New week has officially started, technically, for everybody else. Hello, madam. Did you have those in your villa? Oh, okay. Got you. I just put the laundry in. I need new bed sheets. Okay. Madam, did you have breakfast?
No, not yet.
What the freak? Why haven't you had breakfast?
I'm not hungry. Last night's dinner was filling.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fruit.
Okay. All right, so let's rock and roll. Oh, we got to put this fan to charge. That fan, let's put it to charge now. I forgot to do that yesterday. All right, let's go back inside. Let's get a wire and let's charge that fan so we can have it ready to go. Plus, I bought that for myself, but I gave it to the madam so when she cooks,
she's comfortable. Even though the AC is blasting in there, I want her to be comfortable. So she's gonna make an egg omelet sandwich like the one from yesterday. Let's get that wire, put it to charge, because when the mosquitoes come out, when the sun goes down, that's when they all come out. Someone tell me in the comment section, I haven't looked it up, but why do they all go crazy? Look at my little charging station here. We'll just take this one from Thailand I bought this for the mentorship students. We'll just take one. This one might get dirty, but whatever. We'll buy more. We'll buy more. Since I've been here, I bought 2 charging cables, one for the iPhone and one for the Android. I have so much tech. Like I said, excited for the market to be open. This is gonna be fun. I have a smile on my face. I dreamt about the markets. So boom. Boom, boom, boom. Let's rock and roll. Let's put this thing on charge. We can charge the Bluetooth speaker and the fan at the same time, baby. And it's charging. Let's go. Let me show you. Check it. Alert. See that? Charging. Boom. So let that do its thing. Oh, you know what? Let me do some Q&As on my Instagram. Let's do some Q&As with the cowboy hat on the Instagram. That'll be cool and fun. But no way. What kind of existence is that, in my opinion? And if you're watching that, you're one of those. I'm not trying to come at you or anything. I'm just saying I don't think that's an existence. Bro, I'm here for 3 months. Just here. I'm out the country more than often than anything. What's up?
I love your hat.
I know, I love it too. I gotta film some content. I'm about to work out. How long are you gonna take to make breakfast? You gonna have breakfast too?
Screw it. For you, probably 15 minutes.
15 minutes? Okay, you know what? Do me a favor. You eat first. Let me get more time to work out. Guys, I'm coming out right now. I know you were watching an episode or lesson, but I just want to let you know, free trading course, daytradeprofessor.com. You're broke, you got no money, you got nothing, but you just want to start it off? Day Trade Professor. Click down below, go in the description and start the free course. It'll help you get along the way. See you in the next one. Let's go. So, like I said, let me make some Instagram stories. And then, can I get a coconut water, please? Thank you. I'm going to make some, let's get the music going. The Bluetooth. Madam, let me get that iPhone, please. Right there, please. I've been playing music since the madam came because she has her music playing and I don't want to mess with her music. Let's see, it's okay. I got 3 other phones, but the Samsung Galaxy I've dropped so many times, the Bluetooth stopped working. Thank you, madam.
You're welcome.
Did you bring a Bluetooth?
The little one that used to.
I gotta show you her Bluetooth. It's literally the small size of like a baby, a little baby.
Oh, okay.
I believe it. Oh, the madam. I know what she did. I bet I know look what she did. She stabbed it and now the coconut's stuck in the straw. Women. Madam, get over here, please. Come here. Did you stab the coconut in there?
Yeah. Oh, you just gotta stick it out the opposite way.
I tried that. Now it's stuck.
Here, I'll take it.
Thank you.
Oh, down.
And plus, the hole needs to be bigger. It needs air in there. Perfect. All right. Let's get the music going. Let's get my phone. And let's make some Instagram stories. You guys see that? And then we work out. All right. Let's reply to DMs as well. I'm good, my brother. I appreciate you. Yeah, but that's a fake account. Someone has a fake account of me. Something. What does it say? Vision Forex Argentina. And they stole a video of me. Goran sending me his coconuts in his fridge. Goran, I love it. We got plenty of coconuts here too, my brother. By the way, you want to see my algorithm? Instagram algorithm. It's cookies. It's Superman. Cookies, cookies, cookies. Love cookies. All right, let's make a story. Let's get people engaged on a Sunday. Instagram stories. This is a good way to engage with everybody. I like the Q&A stuff, but sometimes they drop such stupid things in there. Such stupid things. Your ethnicity, where you like, who cares? I've never understood people infatuation with origin. Like, why does it matter? You should just worry about what helps you become consistent. Nothing else, nothing more. Nothing, literally nothing else matters. All right, let's see if there's any comments. Let's just knock these comments out the way and then we can chill out. You got a question? How many people do you block regularly? I'll answer that. I'll answer that. You want to see? Let's see my block list. My block list is wild, probably. Maybe more than 5,000. Boom. 7,245. I don't care for nonsense. I don't want people around that are watchers. And many people get offended by that. Don't care. Don't care. I'm not here to live in people's feelings. All right, let's go leave this inside and then let's work out and let's get some vitamin D. The sun is out. Beautiful. Let's do it. We're gonna get on the Sadhu nails, jump rope, weights, boom. I'm excited. Tomorrow we're gonna go start playing basketball. Well, not we, me. The madam just wants to hit the gym. She goes, I wanna be at the gym for 2 hours. I said, girl, I can't be sitting there playing basketball for 2 hours. That's a little excessive. I could do 30 minutes basketball. She goes, I wanna go every day. I'm like, oh my God. So we're gonna have to figure out a balance on that. Oh, Carlos, he left my coconuts and the Sadhu nails under. So let's move it. Let's move it. Who loves coconuts, by the way? Does anyone love coconuts as much as I do? Because, ladies and gentlemen, I love coconuts. Again, if you guys want this, link in my bio. I mean, I'll drop it in the description. Just look for it. All right, Jennifer is here. I was gonna show. Have you seen these before?
Yes.
You have?
Uh-huh.
Where?
On your videos.
No. Meaning, have you personally done this?
No.
Oh, so this is Sadhu Nails, right? You know my student Sadhu Nails?
Yes.
So this is his company, and have you never done it?
No.
All right.
Okay.
So basically, they're nails. This is the highest level. You shouldn't do these, but you can try them. But they're not nails.
Oh my
Yeah. And you step on that. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is
I'll
not
do it.
meant for someone that's never done it. There's different levels he sells them. And this is the highest level. I said, give me the best of the best. And this is his best of the best. Zinc and copper, I believe.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. It's painful, but it feels good kind of pain. It's one of those things. So you step on them. And pressure points. And you just stand on them like this. And you zone out. All right, so let's work out, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it started. Workout is done. Now I'm gonna jump in the pool and do a few laps. So boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Next steps. Let's go. Ooh. Oh. I don't want to be in the sun right now, so we'll stay under the shade for a little bit. By the way, madam, here is where the freshest water is.
I know this is where
Just so you know.
Yesterday.
Just so you know, here is where the freshest. This is where the water comes from the cenotes. So that's so refreshing. But yeah, this is where it is. It's like a little mini bar here. People can sit, relax, and drink, but not here. Maybe drink coconut water. Oh, it's so cold. It's so cold. Oh. So like I said, what's the only thing running through my mind? Market needs to be open. Just hang out one. Happy Sunday. Your life should be exactly how you want it. No other way. No other way. No other way. If you don't have what you want, you have to take it seriously. Many of you don't. You know, yesterday I went live. A couple of people was like, oh, I blew my account again and again and again. And for me, my answer to you is, I have too. Using the prop firm stuff, I blew a few accounts. I told you straight honestly. And Well, guess what? The one I took the most serious, the one I took off camera, is my best performing one. How about that? How about that? The one, again, that I took the most seriously, I really put the work into it, is my best performing one. Maybe the other ones you don't take seriously enough. Oh my God, that feels so good. It's freezing cold. It's coming straight out of the underground well. Maybe you're not taking it seriously enough. You ever thought of that? That's what I would tell you. The one I take the most serious, I push through. And again, are there days where I lose? I lose every day. You've seen the vlog. I think today's July 12th. Madam here. I think today's July 12th. And guess what? I lose every day. I've had one losing day. The full day was losers. But overall, I've had green days. But do I lose trades? Yes. Of course I do. Like I said, I can't wait for the market to be open. I can't wait to take a trade. I'm excited. I'm excited. Excited. Because I believe I make a lot of money shorting. And I believe that August and September will be red months. Will be red months. Usually they are. And we've been moving. Woo! We've been having weakness now for a little bit. So let's see what ends up happening with that weakness. Even though I won't be vlogging, well, I will be with the mentorship. We have a mentorship. I won't do the first one in August. I'll do the second one. But I like to short. But there's long and short opportunities on a regular basis. It's just that the market falls down harder than it goes up. What's that saying? The market takes the escalator up and the elevator down. I don't like to take the elevator, but in the example of trading, I like to make it quick and get the hell out. The longer I'm in it, the more risk is involved. And I like to be as risk off as I can. The longer you stay in the market, the higher your risk gets. I'm talking scalping, by the way, mainly, and swing trading too, but that's a different conversation. Just enjoy the calm, enjoy the serenity, just enjoy it. And I'm back. In that swing. Yeah, the water's warm as hell over there. Very warm. We'll sit here and have breakfast. We'll wait for breakfast and then I'll see you guys back. Boom, boom. All right, breakfast time. Workout's done. Swim is done. The whole 9 yards is done. Usually my Sundays are way more relaxed. I just like to chill out on Sundays. Completely stay home, inside, and do nothing. And I usually fast on a Sunday as well. I bring my caloric intake down drastically. Thank you, madam. How many eggs?
3.
Cool. Oh, this is crunchy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's perfect. It's very crunchy. Slap the back of it. That's good.
Okay.
That's good. Sit for 2 minutes. So it's been a week now you're working for me. She came a week ago. So performance review. Everything you do is perfect. You don't bother me. You let me stay in my peace. Everything is handled well. My only complaint was, and you fixed it very well, the food was cold a couple days, but you handled that very, very well. So everything was perfect. Good job.
Good to hear.
Now you, a performance of mine. And speak freely, it's okay.
I would say you're really respectful. You're direct, but I'm used to that. I prefer someone to be direct.
What do you mean you're used to that?
That's just how my family is. We're Italian, so we're very direct. Speak our mind. So I don't get offended at all. That's why when you tell me something, I just fix it right away.
Yeah. I'm glad. Because I'm used to it. If I tell someone to, one of my sisters to fix it, usually it becomes a problem later on.
I'm not sensitive when it comes to that.
I'm glad. What else?
I think we work well together.
We do. It's very nice. Thank you,
No
madam.
problem.
Thank you. It's about mutual understanding and mutual respect. She works for me, but forget that she works for me. She's a human being. Some of my assistants in the past have told me about their bosses and how they treat them and stuff, and I'm going, what the hell? Number one, they're humans. Number two, they're girls. They're women. They should be respected even more. None of my workers could ever say I treated them badly, ever. We're gonna take a live trade later. Just see how I do. I already know I'm gonna lower my position size drastically for the live trade, and when I'm done live trading, then I can just really have fun and make serious money. Again, if you didn't know that burning coffee gets rid of bugs. That smell was so strong that my whole body yesterday, I need to shower so badly to get that smell of coffee off me.
Here.
God bless the Starbucks baristas in there. God bless them. When I was a kid, I worked for a fish market when I was 17, 18, 19 years old. I smelled like fish every day.
Like, ew. Okay.
Yeah, ew, exactly.
Coffee is doable, but fish?
Yeah, I know. My God, I hate that smell. I figured out a trick. I would have to layer up. I would have 4 shirts under me to protect me from that smell.
How would you get that off your hands, though? Oh, were you wearing it?
You wear gloves, but the smell just gets everywhere when you live within it.
Yeah, sometimes.
When I was a teenager, I worked 3 grocery stores. One was a fish boy, one was a stock boy, one was a cashier. Tell me in the comment section, what was your jobs as teenagers? I think everyone should work as a teenager. Those parents that say no, focus on school, bro, please. Bro, please. School's a joke. Nothing teaches discipline. Nothing teaches life skills than an actual job. Nothing. School doesn't teach you that. Money, skills, street smarts. It's all a job. Especially retail, dealing with customers. Oh my. I'll tell you a story. Let me wash my hands. I hate wasting food. Madam cooks great. Our cooking is phenomenal. Let me go wash my hands. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Let's go live. I'm in the mood. I'm in the mood to help people, answer questions.
I'm interrupting your lesson right now to let you know, if you don't know, you want to get consistent. Well, listen, I wrote 3 books. I got one of them on me right now. How to just hit sell consistently trading, how to be a consistent trader, and the Consistent Trader Journal Checklist. Everything you need. I've covered it already. Why are you wasting your time searching this, that, the third? You're already watching me right now. Might as well get the book. Click down in the description, get them, and go on your way of what? Consistency. See you in class. Let's go.
Finished the live a little bit ago, filmed some content, answered some questions. Now, just want to run some laps in the pool. Future market opens, I think, in an hour and a half, and then we'll do some live trading. So do that, and let's go. Let's go. What a nice day today. That's my question to you. How else should you spend your Sundays than like this? I don't know, man. But this is how I would like to spend my Sundays. Let me get a floaty. You know, as I'm sitting here in the water, I think to myself, is it worth it? And the answer is yes, it is. I've been sitting here for maybe 40 minutes, and the answer is it's worth it every single time. I'm sitting on the bridge and the voice is coming out weird. All right, that's better. But yeah, I wouldn't have it any other way. I know you can't hear this wind. This thing has really good sound canceling, noise canceling, sorry. But all that to tell you is, I'm just a guy from New York. I'm just a guy from New York who absolutely loves a peace of mind, who absolutely loves being drama-free, who absolutely loves being away from noise and chaos. That's it. I will do whatever it takes to continue living this life. where I don't have to deal with anybody's nonsense. I don't know what any celebrity's doing. I don't know what family affairs. I don't know whose relationship drama, what reality TV. I know none of it. None of it. And this is the way I want life to be. Nothing more, nothing less. I don't know why some of you get so attracted to reality TV, so obsessed with what he, she, they are doing. Who cares? So it does nothing for your financial well-being. It does nothing for your soul. It does nothing for your spiritual energy. It does nothing for you but satisfy your own degenerate behavior. Oh, if you only understood. Your outside of trading reflects of your inward, then you might actually lead yourself to consistency in something. If you're not consistent in absolutely anything in life, then how do you expect to be consistent on the charts? I don't know, man. I don't know what to tell you with certain things. Look at this beautiful eagle. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, he flew away fast. But I just wanted to share that with you. As I sit here going, I love it. Some of you be like, no, professor, it's too quiet. There should be, no, I'm sorry. You're confused. I don't think you know what peaceful existence means. Peaceful existence means no degeneracy, no noise, no chaos. My students will be here eventually. My family, my parents, my sister's coming. I think a couple of my cousins are coming, but that's separate. They know to be chill and calm around me. They know not to. Sometimes my parents argue, but I tell them to calm down, and they calm down for a little bit. But why not? Oh my God, why not? Just this life.
What?
Who wouldn't want this existence? All year round? Not all year round. I'm gonna be honest. And not I want to be riding my motorcycle. I want to be teaching my classes. Like, I want to be doing that. Like, you know, so all year round, no. 3 months out of the year, yeah. This is my reward. Hell yeah. I deserve this. I deserve it. So, just waiting for the market to be open. That's all I got to do. Boom, boom.
Market open in 10 minutes. Let's rock and roll. So I was taking some notes down. I got post-it notes in my trading journal going on down here right now. And I'm moving some of the key, I'm not going to show you what I wrote, but some of the key stuff being written here to get ready. Market opens in 8 minutes. And let's see what happens. We could get a move up, but I'm most likely going to get a move down. A nice move down from what I can see. If we can do a retest, I know you can't see it right now, but you'll see it when the live trading. I'm not getting all the sauce. I'm getting all the sauce. Out of your mind if you think you're going to get all the sauce, all the information on this. You're just seeing a little sneak peek of what behind the scene of my life is. But if you can get a retest at 22,966, touch it, see how it plays out there, and then shoom to the downside. Because my trades today, after a certain time, becomes trades for Monday. So let's see how that goes. But let me start making my levels right now. Again, you're not going to see that. We could hold for a bounce. Okay, ooh, there's a strong level of support here as well. Interesting. That 933. Cool. Basically how I do it here. All right. And it could be a wicked move down. 878. If that level fails. I'm going to try doing this because with the prop firm stuff and the volatility, I'm going to write different information just for today's analysis. So today is July. And then I'll move everything to the trading journal on July 13th. Cool. Let me just write this down. I'm not going to say it out loud. I'm going to say it out loud. I love it. I don't like puzzles, but this is like trying to solve a puzzle. You know? It's like trying to solve a puzzle to make some money. The best kind of puzzles. I'm going to take trades by myself and then I'll screen record after. Because I want to catch them. Oh, you know what? Nah. We can do it. On this computer, I'm screen recording the trading view chart for my mentorship students. You guys will just get the trade of 8 random chart, which I don't even look at.
That's just to give you something. So by the way, if you're not thoroughly analyzing before you get in a trade, then what are you doing? Some of you, again, are not traders. I'm just being honest. I wish we could place an order, man, before the market opens to catch the move. I hate that you can't do that. Market opens in 10 seconds. Let's go, baby. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Holy moly, what a drop. I'm out. I'm out. Woo! And let it fall. Let it fall. Let's go. By the way, if you're watching this thing, oh, why can't you screen record? Yeah, I made 3.9K. We're $1,000 away from making back the loss. We just need to make $1,000 and we're back up again. Let's go. Praise God. Praise God, praise God, praise God. That was magical. That was magical. That was magical. MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah. By the way, you should say those things when someone does well. It prevents evil eye. But, madam, I'm done trading. Towards the end of the episode, I'll do a trade breakdown for you guys. I'm in the mood to go for a walk. I want to go. I'm excited. No. We're not going to do it.
Don't get me excited.
They're not going to do it. But I'm super hyped right now because I'm hyped for two reasons. Number one, my dream came true. Literal dream I had. It was so vivid. So vivid. So now I'm super excited. I don't know what to do. But that was awesome. I'm not touching the screen. Do me a favor. Do not let me go on the computer. No matter what I say or what I do. Do not let me touch that computer. Because I know after a drastic drop, it goes sideways and it's choppy action. Make sure. So boom, boom, boom. What do you want to do? What time is it? 6 something, right? No, that's 6 in New York, 5.
We can go out.
Find a place to go hiking. I want to go hiking. I want to walk.
You like hiking?
I like doing everything, but I never get to do it, if you know what I mean. Because if you weren't here, I would go back on the charts.
Wait.
Like I came out of there, I'm like, let me tell her I did good. Thank you. So I gotta, and I know even, I will check, by the way, I will check the charts later. At the end of every episode, you know this, at the end of every episode, I do a trade analysis, a trade breakdown. So I will do that at the end of the episode. I will show you a trade breakdown. So from the looks of it, as of now, the week hasn't even started, but we're already up nicely. We're up $28.5 or $28.7 thousand. 28, yeah. And then if I hit 30, tomorrow we'll trade. So if you do the math, I consistently making between $3,000 to $10,000 a day, right? So if we do tomorrow well, by the looks of it, we should be, by the end of the month, God willing, everything goes well, I do what I do, we should be up at $75,000 by the end of the month. So this is just a rough prediction from analysis. We should be between $60,000 to $70,000 on the month. We'll see. And by the way, that was with $1,000. Just I only put in $1,000 of my own real money into the prop account, just so we're clear. A 1K. So if someone can do the return on that, madam, are you good at math? Oh, you tutored math. If I put in $1,000 of my money and I'm at 28.9, we'll just say 30,000. How much percent return is that? 300, 30, or 3,000% return? Use ChatGPT or something. Try one of those things. Just so no. Again, I know it does. I don't care. It doesn't matter. I just want to know. Again, to show the regular folk watching this that it's possible. It's possible, man. It's all possible. It's just you don't want to hit sell. I hit sell in there. You heard the tick, 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 in, out. I took 3 trades. All 3 were green. In and out, lightning fast. If you could make in 5 minutes $4,000 plus, why would you do more? Why would you do anything else? When you know your whole weekly, some of you, that's probably your monthly paycheck. I think that's what, yeah, monthly, 4,000 times 12, 48,000. Yeah, I just made your people's monthly salary. Your monthly salary was made in 3 minutes, and you heard the bing, bing, bing. Again, for those that didn't see me screen record it, bro, screw you, go somewhere else if you're complaining. I'm here to make money. I'm here to make money. If that bothers you, go somewhere else. Okay, thank you, madam. So I made 3,000% return in 2 weeks. I started this journey July 1st. Today, July 13th today, right? In 13 days, not including Saturday, so 13, 12, 11. In 11 days, I made a 3,000% return. Technically speaking, I could stop trading right now and say, all right, I'm up 28 point something thousand dollars from 1K. I could just stop right now and I'm chilling. And then at the end of the month, be like, hey, look, I did it. Ha ha ha, I'm done. I could take a break. But I already gave you my word, so I'm not gonna do that. Tomorrow, we're gonna do it again. Tomorrow, we're gonna do it again. Every day, we're gonna do it again and again and again. So, boom. I hope you guys are liking this vlog, and it's a beautiful thing. Oh, we didn't read today, so let's read. We didn't read today, so let's read. We gotta read the quote book, and then let's see which book we wanna read. Let's do that. Listen, I'm very happy right now. Very happy. With every trade now that I end up pulling off well, will be great, because now as we're at the middle of this vlog, I think now. We're at the middle of the vlog, and let's see how we end up doing. Let's see how we end up doing. Come, let's read the quote book. Let's read the quote book. Let's knock out a quote. The Prophet, peace be upon him, defined backbiting thus: speaking of someone in such terms as might offend him. Someone inquired as to whether mentioning someone's failings amounted to backbiting. The Prophet, peace be upon him, affirmed, this is what backbiting is. Otherwise, if you ascribe to him a failing that he does not have, it constitutes slander, which is a more heinous sin than backbiting. I like that. So a lot of you, and plus my haters, you need to understand this too, right? You get nothing out of talking bad about other people behind their back. You get nothing from it, absolutely nothing. Why do you even bother? If you watch my channel, all the laptops, you know that you've never ever once heard me speak negatively about another human being. Not once. Why? Because what does that get me? What does that do for me? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. And for those of you watching this that constantly hate me and leave negative comments, you just get blocked and the comments removed. I don't think you understand. You're talking to someone who does not get affected by your nonsense. Go get a life. Just get a life. Do better with yourself. Some of you are so obsessed with internet personalities, people on the internet, that you make your whole life about them. Bro, they don't care. You're wasting your time. And it's not just about me. It's about whoever you're obsessed with that you hate. So, for example, I don't want to say this, but okay, I'll say it in a positive way. I have nothing against Grant Cardone. I know nothing of him, but his ads are so aggressive on X. Twitter. I blocked him. I have nothing against him. I don't hate him. I don't like him. I don't know him. But Grant is just very aggressive with the ads. And I saw in one of his interviews, he said, if you don't like me, good, you're not my customer. I'm not his customer. And it's not that I don't like him. His ads were just constantly real estate, real estate, real estate. I don't want to buy real estate with Cardone Ventures. That's just me. So I blocked him. I've never went on his video and said, yo, bro, you and your ads. Bro, people, listen, some of you need to get a life. I know some of you don't have lives, so you live your life vicariously through other people on the internet. I get it. But what I would tell you is just get a life and figure something out for yourself. Your constant backbiting, talking smack about other people in your stupid little group chats, truly nobody cares. And the best part of this is, I actually like that kind of people because it attracts the same low frequency idiocracy. It attracts the same kind. And then when I see the stuff, I'm like, cool, good to know to keep these people away from me. I know to remove them from my group. I know to remove them from my secret list. I know to get rid of certain people that need to be wiped out. So because at the end of the day, no matter what you put on the internet, it all eventually comes back. And if it's about me, it rolls back to me eventually. Someone eventually screenshots it and shows it to me. So some of you, please get a life. Stop making fake profiles and spamming my stuff. Get an existence. I'm not thinking about you. I don't think about you. I just think about the good I do for other people. So, boom, that quote knocked out. Let's see, we're going to read another book. Let's see what book we want to read. Let's read my Just Hit Sell book. Let's go. All right, let me read the Just Hit Sell book, but I'm thirsty. Let's get some coconut water. Let's get some coconut water.
She's so funny, my assistant. She goes, I heard you scream. That's hilarious. I don't even know if I did or not, but I guess this video is over 30 minutes so far, just recording scene. So I'm not gonna go back 30 minutes. How was the scream? I'm dying to know because I don't scream. So I'm dying to know.
Wow.
Can you try to imitate it?
Like,
I don't scream. Did you hear that?
girl.
I don't do.
You were like, yeah, something.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't scream. So yeah, I probably said yes. Yeah. I do that all the time. Yeah, I'm about to say I don't scream.
Loud as hell.
Listen, when you lock in $4,000 in less than 30 seconds, you're gonna scream a little bit. Especially when you have haters watching this. Do you really think only good people are watching this?
No, of course.
I literally got such hate comment today on one of my YouTube videos and I couldn't stop laughing. I'm like, bro, are you obsessed? I don't know who it is. They make fake YouTube profiles on a regular to attack me. And I left a comment saying, man, you need some help, bro. It's the same person. I know because they repeat the same BS. Listen, it's okay. It's okay. Listen, I know you're in love with me. I don't love you though. You want coconuts, madam? I'm gonna open one. Okay. So let's get a straw. You're welcome. Let's get a straw. And then I'll read a page out of my Just Hit Sell book. Oh, by the way, for those watching, you know the code. Code is vlog. Get 30% off all the books. 30% off all the books. Let's get wait, no, I'm holding too many things. I gotta get the coconut first. Does the size matter, madam, or you don't care?
Sure.
Well, then I'll get the big one. Give her the baby one. So basically, Carlos already did all the hard work. All you gotta do is clip with the scissors, and boom. And that's it. That's my favorite thing of all time. The best hydration. You people that are obsession with Gatorade, people, it's a poison. Get a life. I don't care if LeBron, Kobe, Bryant, whoever's pushing their bullshit. It's all fake chemicals. If you don't care about your health, your body, what are you doing with your existence? Like, I truly don't understand some of you humans. Your obsession. Like I tell people, some of my students drink Prime, that Logan Paul, Jake Paul, I don't know who Paul stuff. It's so bad for you. So bad for you. And I don't get the obsession. I truly don't get the obsession. It's chemicals. Prime is chemicals. The only thing from a social media influencer is Mr. Beast. His chocolate is the best, but everybody else, the Lunchables, Lunchleys, I don't know what their names are. I forgot his name. But the Paul brothers, all that stuff is complete garbage. All of it. It literally has aspartame, flame. Here you go, madam.
Wait, you?
You're welcome. So, boom. If somebody, I'm not going to do it, but if I wanted to, I would start a supplement line for you guys. Natural supplement line, real coconut water line, lime soda. I would create coconut lime soda for you guys. The good stuff.
I'm interrupting your class right now to let you know, and I know you know, if you've used my free course, you use my books, I got 3 of them, and it's still not enough and you feel like you want more, well, guess what? I got a mentorship program happening in New York in my classroom, small amount of students in a lecture hall setting where I go through precision what you need to do what? Buy and sell strategically. And if you don't want to come to New York, I yearly have international trips. You can join those. Get a mentor, get everything figured out. I got a secret Instagram where I talk about deeper things that I don't talk publicly. I'll see you in my class. Let's go.
For me, it's not about the taste. It's about the life force.
Okay. For me, it's about taste.
I understand. No, I understand. Like, my brain has the ability to like something even if I don't like it. I can do that. I can convince myself it's good for you, just do it. Like, I got into coconut water when I was maybe 21, 22. And it was, I don't want to say the company because I'm about to say something negative about it. I don't talk negative. But it was disgusting. It tastes like dirty socks. Like the smell of dirty socks, but it didn't smell like that. It tasted like that. And I'm like, damn, this sucks. But I learned, oh, wait a second. I could convince myself I like it, and I liked it. So then, boom. Like, this don't taste the best, but I know it's life force.
It's good. I got into it when I was in my mother's womb.
Got you. Yes, I've heard about that. Whatever the mother consumes when she's pregnant is what the baby eventually ends up liking. All right, guys. Let me read a little bit out of my book, Just Hit Sell. Again, use code VLOG, V-L-O-G, daytradeprofessor.com, and get it 30% off. So let's see. I'm not going to read a page. I'm going to read one quote. Let me find a quote. The psychology behind selling. The psychological aspects of selling are often underestimated.
Emotions like fear, greed, and regret can heavily influence your decision making. Stay with me here, right? So I'm going to use that part to explain how I took that trade. Psychological factors. Emotions like fear. For example, why did I hit sell really, really fast? Fear. Let's be straight and let me explain. The candle fell drastically at market open 6 p.m. Like instantaneous. I forget how many points. I think it was like 90-point drop or 100-point drop in the blink of an eye, right? And then I got in for a long. Because why? I said it in the video. I already had a very strong level of support and I noticed it fell right on top. And then the next candle over, I got in for a long. Because with XP points of experience, what do I know? That after a major drop, it bounced up. It did bounce up. And then greed kicked in. Oh, stay in longer. And then my regret factor came in. Listen, if you do not hit sell, and this happened in a blink of an eye, if you do not hit sell, you're going to regret it. 3 emotions. Fear, greed, and regret. So I didn't want to have regret. I didn't want to come out saying, shit, I lost 4,000. No. So I immediately hit sell. My greed did kick in. Hold on more, it's going to go up. It probably is up right now. I'm not even going to check. But I'm pretty sure it probably bounced up nicely. But I didn't want to have regret. So I let it go. And I'm much happier now. Even she heard me scream, yeah. So I'm not going to read more. You guys got to get the book, but I'll read tidbits throughout the series. I should read more of this. I'm reading other people's books, but I should read my own book too, right? So that's what I would tell you. Fear, greed, regret. And most of you are suffering in your trading and just in general your life because you regret. You regret doing something stupid that cost you money. For example, a lot of what I do is from one thing, and I'm going to tell you, and I learned this from Jeff Bezos. He said in an interview when he was a nobody, when nobody would take, so I'll tell you a story, right? When Jeff Bezos wanted to get money for Amazon.com, he went through all these VCs, venture capitalists, and all of them said, this is stupid, this is stupid. You want to sell books online? There's bookstores. This is a stupid idea. If you didn't know, Amazon started as a bookstore online before he sold everything else. And nobody was giving him money. Nobody. So he went to his mom and dad, and his mom, I forget the exact dollar amount, so we're not getting into that. But he went to his mom and he said, Mom, Dad, can I borrow some money, please? And of course, the parents, they're supportive. They said, sure, son. And now, his parents are billionaires. They're big shareholders of Amazon. His brother's a big shareholder of Amazon. His family pulled in. When no one else believed in Bezos, his family did, right? But that's not the point of the story. This is the point. Bezos said in an interview, he goes, when nobody was believing in me, my parents believed in me, I didn't want to have regret. I saw myself as someone at my deathbed, 60, 70, 80, whatever you plan on living, and I'm sitting there going, I wish I put in my work into the Amazon.com project. I wish I didn't give up on that. He goes in that interview. You can watch the interview on YouTube. Just type in old Jeff Bezos interview. It'll come up with him bald. And well, he's always been bald. What am I saying? Spray paint Amazon, that one with the spray painted cardboard. Bezos was like, I'd rather put in all this work, even when people don't believe in me. And his business was constantly, every day he said he had a fear. He would go to sleep every night, have a fear that Amazon would shut down. He wouldn't have enough payroll to pay his workers and everything. None of the above, right? So then he pushed through because he didn't want to have regret. He didn't want to have a life where he's old in his deathbed at the end of his life cycle saying, I wish I did that one thing I really wanted to work out, and it didn't work out for him. I mean, it didn't work out because, at his deathbed, but it did work out. He's the richest human on the planet. The richest human on the planet. Now he just does whatever he wants whenever he does. Whatever he wants, whenever he wants. That's what I'm saying. And for me, that was the factor. Like when someone says, did you ever want to give up? Give up. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my view. If any of you have been following me long enough, last year was Thailand. My assistant at that time wasn't my assistant. Madam, Thailand mansion. What do you think? It was beautiful. In the neighborhood, when we drove around, who had the nicest mansion?
I think we did.
We had the nicest one. What was your favorite part about it? The real reason, like the best of the best.
Of the experience?
Of the whole mansion, yeah. No, not the mentorship, the mansion.
Mansion? I think the pool. and the view of all the greenery and the sound of all the animals.
So seclusion.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm trying to tell you. And for those, and the year before that, I believe I was in Morocco or Indonesia or Thailand. Honestly, I don't even know. I traveled most of this earth. But it's always this big secluded areas. Always. That's what I need you to understand. That's my motivation. I love, for example, if I was staying in a place where I'm hearing da 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 da, that's like Dominican favorite music. Spanish people love, what is that song? Da 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 da. What is that? Daddy Yankee? No, but who is that? Daddy Yankee? I knew it.
I don't know about Daddy Yankee.
He came out when I was a kid in high school. I remember everyone was playing it. All my friends. I swear to God, I love this story. My father bought me a car at 18. All my friends had a car. I was single. I didn't have a relationship, but all my friends had girlfriends. So when we would go out, all their girlfriends like, yo, we're going with him. We ain't going with I'm like, y'all go with your boyfriends. They're like, hell no. Why do you think they wanted to come with me, not their boyfriends?
You were responsible?
Nope.
The music?
Nope. Their car had that stupid thing that makes it sound the exhaust was mine. And I'm like, boys, you're so stupid. Yeah, I know. See, you know what's funny, Jennifer? You hate it, but boys, you low life boys. You really are low frequency. I'm just being honest. See, I'm saying this and that upsets you. Good. So don't come to my class. Don't buy my books. Unsubscribe. Go somewhere else. I don't care for you to like me. So the funny part is, I would tell them, I'm like, bro, your own girlfriends don't want to ride with. Nah, bro, the girls love this shit. I'm like, they don't.
The
Other men, I'm telling them this because they're like, yo, get yours. I'm like, no, I don't want that sound. I know. So back to the story. I hate noises. Ever since I was a kid, I think since I was 15, 14 is the last memory I can remember. My friends like, okay, dad. That's what they would say to me when I was 14, 15. I remember, I'm like, why am I being called a dad? Because I was responsible. Yo, bro, don't go drinking. Bro, we got school, come to class. Yo, bro, forget that girl, come to class. Don't you want to graduate? This was always me. I was raised this way. So, point to the original part of the story is, by the way, if anyone's getting offended by the reggaeton comment, I don't care. I like reggaeton at a certain designated time. Not when I'm enjoying my life here. Not at home. It's obnoxious. I'm sorry, you're low frequency. You have a mental immaturity problem. If you think it's okay to blast your music in a residential neighborhood while people have a life to live. No one gives a shit about your stupid music. No one cares about your stupid ass car. No one cares about your stupid little existence. Keep the music into your own car. By the way, when I got my car, I used to blast it on the highway. I used to blast it on main roads. But when I got into a residential neighborhood, I lowered it down completely. Just so we're clear. This is 18-year-old version story of me. I have an electric motorcycle. I never like gas motorcycles because they're obnoxious to your neighbors. Imagine waking up at 6 in the morning and turning it on and hearing and everything vibrates. Even when I had a sports car, I'm not going to talk about it, but in my 20s, I had a very nice sports car, AMG convertible. It was my favorite. I made sure I bought the one that even when you turn it on, I gotta go inside. The mosquitoes are killing. All right, let's go inside. We'll read some. I don't know what, I was giving you a lecture. I'm not trying to offend you car people, you reggaeton people, but there's a time and place for everything. Oh, it's so cool. There's a time and place for everything. That's what I'm trying to tell you. And you need to know your time and place for everything. All right, listen, I need to journal. I got stuff written down here. I gotta do stuff here. So I'll see you for dinner. And then I'll see you for the trade breakdown at the end of the episode. We're going to break down the whole trade. I'll see you guys. Madam texted, said dinner is about to be ready, so let's head out. And boom. I took another trade. And it was a little bit. It's a little bit. We're good. We're green. And yes, I made back the loss officially. We are back I'm $100 away. I think I'm $100 away from full back to normal about how much I made. And most of it got counted for Sunday and the rest got counted for Monday, for tomorrow. It is what it is on why that happens, but so boom. happy that we're good to go. Tomorrow's another good day. We're going to execute. We're going to knock some good trades out. And yeah, rock and roll. I just want to go back to bed. I haven't been in bed all day. I'm thinking about my bed. Bed sheets in the dryer when they're done. And then, yeah. I took another trade.
You did.
I did good, though. I did good.
And salad.
Oh, let's go. We got salad now?
Yeah, we have so much lettuce.
Yo, we eating salad out here. I don't eat salad.
You'll eat salad now.
I guess I'll eat it now. We got salad, bro.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, vegetarians out there. Let's go. We eating salad, son. We eating salad, son. Let's mix the truffle sauce. This is so good. You should be a chef. This is so good. I could eat the same food every single day, mate. Every single day.
All right, guys, let's go. Sunday breakdown. Today is July 13th, end of the vlog for today, episode 13th. So I took some trades. Here's the 13th. Trade one that you saw. I didn't screen record. It is what it is. 2,164. Trade two, 439. And then 1264. And then I took two more, 814, 489. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 trades, 5 green NQ, which is 4,700. And then the 489, I guess at a certain cutoff point, got rolled over into Monday's trade. So there you go. We are officially, again, this is the real breakdown, the real P&L. This is a prop firm. This is not those trading journals where you can adjust and edit. It's not possible here. It's not. So we are officially broke through the $30,000 mark. Boom. As you can see, we started off with 960. I put in $1,000 into prop firms and rocket ship. We hit 29,991 was the high, and then, lost. That Thursday, man, I took a hit. We fell to 13,000. I didn't give up. I didn't stop. And then went to 25, 29, and now officially $30,000. Again, that's a 3,000% increase right here. As you can see, our performance Tuesday will be exactly 50%, half the month covered, the 15th. So win rate 63.64%. Honestly, I could be better, but I'll take 30 grand. Profit factor 127. By the way, I've lost 111,000 and I've won 141,000. Talk about who can handle losing that much money? I don't know. My average win-loss is atrocious. 1,013 and a loss of 1,395. Win streak, no one cares. Stupid stat. And again, the same cumulative breakdown. The high you saw, then we fell, and we're at 30,000. Wasn't drawdown, not anymore. As you can see right here, Sunday. This should be Sunday too, but God bless whatever the reasoning is. Whatever. I'm not even trying to figure that out. But if you know, tell me in the comment section, because technically it's still Sunday. So boom, started off first trade, as you can see, and then boom, ended it right there. Where is it? Profit factor, for whatever reason, didn't load up. Commissions, boom, good. I took simple trades. That is the breakdown right there, ladies and gentlemen, for today. So we are starting week 3 of the vlog. We did week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, 5. I picked a hell of a month. 5 weeks in this month. I picked a hell of a month, but whatever. Whatever. So now, we're going to celebrate on the last of this week. We're going to celebrate on this day. Madam's going to make me cookies. We're going to get pizza. We'll go watch a movie. She wants to go see Smurf, but I was very good. I convinced her to go see Jurassic Park instead. No Smurfs here. God, no. But she's like, can I see? I'm like, we'll see. I'm like, Smurfs? I'm like, Jurassic Park. So we're gonna go see Jurassic Park on this day. We're gonna get pizza, Jurassic Park, cookies. I told her to make me 30 cookies. So God willing, we have a very good week. Well, God willing, we never see a day like this again. we never see a day like this again. I'm gonna be straight with you. Who makes $30,000 a month? Tell me in the chat. Who makes $30,000 in 2 weeks and 2 days? I don't know. I don't think a lot of people watching do. So can I just stop trading and sign off? No. Let's get this, double this. Let's get this to 60,000. I know that's not a good thing, but let's get this to 60,000, 70,000. Hell, we catch some good moves. Why not 100,000? Why not? But you know what sucks? If I get this to like a big number, this is already a big number, people will say this is fake. Remember, this is the internet. Everyone thinks everything's fake. There is no way to fake this whatsoever. And you know what I'm gonna do after this competition vlog is done? I'm gonna post every day on X, Twitter. I'm gonna tag Tradeify, so even to be witness, because they have access to all this, let them be witness to it if you think any of this is fake, because most people don't believe this is possible. They think everything's a scam. If I wanted to fake the data, listen up, you morons, you low frequency people listening to this that think everything's fake. You're so stupid. Would I want to show a 63% win rate, 80 losses, 140 wins? Would I want to show that on average I lose $13.95? Would I show this 111,000? You morons that think everything is fake. You're so stupid. I know some of you are going to leave negative comments. Look, you can't trade. You morons. You can't even make this stat. And yet you think this is, why do I bother? Okay, let me be nice. Let me be nice. All right, that's a wrap right here. Now I showed you the trade breakdown. I will see you guys tomorrow. We'll live trade. God willing, we won't lose on the live trade, and we make money on the live trade, so I can make money when I privately trade. So, boom. I'll see you guys episode July 14th. Let's go.